abandon their true form and embrace the guise of humanity. None of them are aware of this. They have forgotten what they once were and can never change back.
And you're telling me that you actually remembered?
A simple notion occurred to me. Everything that's happened was preparing the path to guide you here.
What?
Why do you think your clan died out, leaving you as the sole survivor? You never had a pack. You have always been the uniquely created wolf.
That's a load of crap, and you know it!
You were all that was ever needed to open paradise. Those mongrels you dragged with you weren't necessary.
It's true that I was alone. I was always on my own. But if I'd stayed that way, the only thing I could open would be a world that was meaningless to me. That kind of paradise is nothing.
You've lost everything that was precious to you.
I haven't lost anything. Not my friends, or my pride as a wolf. Nothing! Stop it. Please, stop.
What flows through this one's veins is poison. And you are not protected by the flowers. That poison is within you now.